Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, but after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be made. You look down here at the volume, well above average volume. In fact, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out areas of support and then resistance. First level of support and one of the newest areas of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 375. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 375, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes on, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the move, that right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 375 would be great, but as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party, got up around that $4.10 mark several times today and can never quite push through it. So that'll be the main level to watch going forward. Although resistance levels, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, which is this right here. If you look at where the lows have been, these lows keep getting higher and higher. And as long as that's the case, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps keep getting built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away at those higher bases, and then just sit back and let the trend continue to do what it's already been doing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.